We're going to talk about how do you teach a kid the concept of before, after, and in between for numbers in a way that the child learns not in months, not in years, but in days. But this makes it so much effective with the kid, distraction becomes zero. That's why we like to work on a errorless teaching method. You will combine this with making the child stand on the floor, and on the tiles you are drawing, and you're making the child go one step back or jump one step back, in the room like this. So if he's standing at 18, going one back, so 17. Hello everybody, Rajni here from Sashakt Empowering Lives. Once again with yet another episode. Today, what are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about how do you teach a kid the concept of before, after, and in between for numbers in a way that the child learns not in months, not in years, but in days, and maybe in certain cases in hours. Yeah? So, a quick introduction. My name is Rajni, special educator, 18 years work experience, mother to successful boy on the autism spectrum. Yeah, who's a working professional now, graduate, and huge digital presence all across the internet. We are, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We do lots of stuff, lives, masterclass. More about it later. How do we teach before, after, in between? If you like what we are doing, the scientific way of dealing with autism, give us a like, subscribe, share with somebody who will benefit, press the notification button. Keep following us for more. Yeah? Alright, let's go. So, to make things simple and non-messy, I have put them on a board. Okay, that's a board here. Okay, so I put them on a board. You may not put them on a board if you don't want, that's okay. So, what comes now? First, we'll start with after. So, you can write this on paper, okay, with your kid, or you can make these sheets, or you can order these products we also sell. So, you can order the numbers you'll find in the pinned section down below. Yeah. Okay. So what comes after? Now, when you're teaching after, you are putting an arrow, all right, which is giving the child a hint that the child has to go to the next number when coming to after. For the sake of example, I have put numbers 1 to 20. You can take 500 also. You can take, and you may not make these strips. You can simply, the laminated ones, you can simply put them. But this makes it so much effective with the kid. Distraction becomes zero. That's why we like to work on a errorless teaching method. So now you say what comes after. Let us say the child is still learning between 10 to 15 or 10 to 20. So you say what comes after 13. And now you will pick up, let's say you put 15, 18, and to confuse the child you put a 12, and you put a, and let this be here, let in between be this. Yeah. Enough confusion? Yeah. What comes after 13? And now the child has to think about the rote learning in the head. 11, 12, 13, 14. So after 13 is 14. Very good. And this arrow and this color same means we have taught the child to have a mental picture that after means go to the next number. Using this, they learn very, very quickly. Now, very quickly, I'll tell you how to teach before. So, when we put before, yeah, what comes before? Doing it like this saves you time. You're not writing again, taking another sheet, rubbing, then writing, going to the next page. This is super quick, okay? Now the arrows are also in the same color. Yeah. So now what comes? So you put it here before 30. Yeah. And you put the arrow here. Let's take another number for that matter. Okay. Let's say what comes before 19. Yeah. And the arrow is there and it's the same color. And to have more confusion, let's have a 20 also. And in the beginning. So, because we have taught after, the child will say 19, 20. So, you say before 19. Before 19. Now, look at the numbers. If it is too much for the kid to scan, we can remove one odd from here. Let's say we remove this. Depends upon how much the child is scanning. That is why I always say autism is science. If your child can scan that much, we'll add another confusion. Yeah, now you say what comes before 19? And the child will, and then you will, combine this with making the child stand on the floor, and on the tiles you are drawing, and you're making the child go one step back or jump one step back, in the room like this. So if he's standing at 18, going one back, so 17. All right, 15 going one back, so 14. Don't do the exact number. Okay, then 13 going one back, 12. 20 going one back, 19. Then you say 19 and don't make him do this one. Let him think, or her. Yeah, I continue to say him, basically him or her. So 19, and then now let the child think. Child will say 18. Give enough practice and the child will know before. Now very quickly, how do we do in between? We at Sashakt have more than 200 plus such like resources. This is a complete book where we are teaching the transition 0 to 100, what comes in between, value of numbers, addition, subtraction. Yeah, please feel free to connect with us for such resources, because it makes learning really fast and your lag reduces. Yeah, so now let us say in between. Now for in between, you saw the placements also. For before, we put it underneath. For after, we put it on top. Yeah, and in between is a straight arrow. And these are laminated resources, so it doesn't get spoiled. Over a period of time, you use the same ones for addition also, multi-use. Okay, what comes in between? Now you will say in between, and okay, let us take an example. You could add any number, 502 and 504. That also you can add. Okay, so let us say now you have written what comes in between, and now the child has a very clear mental picture. Okay, let's have a 18, 17, 18, 20 it should be. Yeah, 18, 20, yeah. And for confusion's sake, we have put a 17 also, we put a 19 also. And because before 18, 17. So for confusing the child, we put very similar numbers. Yeah. And now the child will have a mental picture. You can also go back to the tiles and say, stand from a distance and say, look, what is in between, 15 and 13? It is 14. Don't go to the exact question, but make the child look at other options and then come back here, and the child will say 90. Yeah. After this, please feel free to move to the notebook. This is how you're going to teach before, after, in between. If you liked it, give us a like, subscribe, share with friends. And we do live on Tuesdays, 7 to 7:30, Instagram and YouTube. The links and the handles are in the description. And we do Autism Masterclass, that is 7 to 9:30, either Thursdays or Fridays. The link to that is also given in the description box. Connect with us, learn super efficient ways to teach your kid on the spectrum, see them succeed in life. I will see you next week.